Tenakoto Akutawira. In today's video lesson, we are going to be talking about finding the length of an unknown side using the cosine rule. And I've got the cosine rule up here highlighted in orange. You do not need to memorize these formulas as they will be provided for you. Now, the important thing to remember when you're finding the length of the side using the cosine rule is that the side you're trying to find must be across from an angle that you know, and that angle must be in between the other two known side lengths. Okay, so the side you're trying to find is always going to be the. Doesn't matter if it says X, you can change that with a pen or pencil. Right. So if that side is little a, these two are little b and little c. It doesn't matter which one you call b or c, but important to remember if that side is little a, then this angle here must be angle A. Right? That's the cosine of angle A right there. So substituting in the B and the C, minus 2 times B times C times the cosine of 53, we put that into our calculator. A squared is 109.18, rounded to 2 decimal places. And the reason why I chose to round to 2 decimal places is simply because it's one more decimal place than in the given information. Okay, so a squared is 109.18. To undo the squaring, we square root that 109 and we get a is 10.4 centimeters to 1 dp. Do remember, put that centimeters in there. The units of measure are always a good idea. Okay, next to pathai, number 93, we've got again, we're trying to find the length of side y. You must know the measure of the angle opposite it, and we do. And in order to use the cosine rule, you must know the other two side lengths, okay? So we're using the same formula for cosine rule, substituting in our b and our c, and the cosine of 21. We simplify that in our calculator. We get a squared is 45.36. We square root that to get back to the side length. We get the side y, 6.7 centimeters. Okay, so there's 2 out of 3. Third one is there for you to have a look at and hopefully get. Please send any part time my way. Mauri mahi, kakiteano.